Have you been battling of dark knuckles and then looking for good solutions that will help you get rid of your dark knuckles? Then you are at the right place. Because in this video, I will be telling you the major reasons why you're having dark knuckles and how you can stop it for further reoccurring. Also, I will be recommending affordable products you can use to help you get rid of your dark knuckles and then achieve a clear, brighter knuckles. So, if this kind of video interests you, please sit back, relax, and watch this video till the very end so you'll not be missing out on any important information. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Cynthia, and I'm happy to have you guys on yet another video. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, I see you guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. This girl here is super grateful. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about dark knuckles, giving you a well-detailed guide on how to tackle and get rid of your dark knuckles so you can be able to achieve a clear and a brighter knuckles. Before we jump right into the full details of today's video, please, I would love to say this. If your knuckles are a little bit darker to your skin tone, that means you do not have dark knuckles, okay? Leave your knuckles the way it is. It is normal for your knuckles to look a little bit darker to your skin tone. Firstly, we will be discussing on the major reasons or causes why you develop dark knuckles. And the number one major reason why you develop dark knuckles is using skincare products that are formulated with hydroquinone, mercury, or steroids, which are harsh chemicals. Using products like this will do you no good than harm. They will end up damaging and destroying your skin at the end of the day. If you are using lightening skincare products, you are using bleaching skincare products that will lighten up your skin, that will bleach up your skin, then you are prone to develop having dark knuckles. I mean, there is no escape route for you. Making use of bleaching skincare products will make you have dark knuckles because they contain skin bleaching agents like hydroquinone, mercury, steroids that will do no good to your skin other than to damage your skin and can even lead to skin cancer. So if you have dark knuckles as a result of using skin bleaching skincare products on your skin, obviously you're the cause of your problem and there's no solution for you until you stop making use of those skin bleaching skincare products that you make use of on your skin and then discard them away. Get yourself good and healthy skincare products, a good brightening body lotion, a good glow body oil, a good brightening body soap or body wash, and of course, a very good brightening body scrub. And you're good to go. Create a good skincare routine for yourself and use these products together and stop using unhealthy skincare products that will end up causing dark knuckles and uneven skin tone for you. On this channel, I've reviewed quite a good number of healthy skincare products that you can make use of on your skin to help you brighten up your skin safely, giving you a beautiful and a healthy skin tone and as well suitable for all skin type and color. Be it fair skin, dark skin, caramel skin, or even chocolate skin tone. I've made videos on healthy skincare products you will use on your skin that will not end up bleaching and damaging your skin. So if you're still bleaching your skin this year 2025, you got to stop doing that to your skin right away. And always have this at the back of your mind that your skin is your best accessory. So always take good care of it because you will wear it for the rest of your life. You also have to know that not everyone develops dark knuckles as a result of bleaching up their skin, which will take us to the second reason why you might have dark knuckles, which is genetics. Some people have dark knuckles naturally, which is as a result of their gene, and there is nothing they or anyone can do about it. That is genetics. The third reason why you can have dark knuckles is dry skin. So you have to make sure that you always stay hydrated and your body always moisturized. Most of the time, we tend to neglect our joint areas like the knuckles and the rest of them, forgetting that they move a lot. Friction occurs whenever we move our hands and other joint parts on our body, especially when you are not frequently moisturizing it enough and feeding it with the right skincare products. So when friction occurs on the joint areas on our body like our hands, you'll notice that the little product you manage to put on those areas will dry off and your knuckles will look dry and they will start getting dark. So dry skin and friction can also make you develop having dark knuckles. The fourth reason why you can have dark knuckles is medical conditions. Medical conditions like vitamin B12 deficiency, a sign of drug reaction, hormonal imbalance, diabetes, etc., can also make you prone to have dark knuckles. So my advice to you is if you have any of these medical conditions, you should visit your doctor, have your body checked and treated. Trust me, you're going to see a great change on your skin. Moving on to the treatment of dark knuckles, which is the last part of this video. And I know that you watching me right now have patiently been longing for this part of the video. Now, when treating a dark knuckle, you have to bear in mind that your dark knuckle will not clear off in one day, in weeks, neither will it clear off within a period of 1 month. Meaning that you have to wear a garment of patience while you are on this journey of treating and caring for your dark knuckles. While you are on this journey of treating your dark knuckles, it can take you up to 3 months and sometimes 6 months to start seeing an effective result on your dark knuckles, though depending on the intense or the extreme of your dark knuckles. So, if anyone should tell you to use this or to use that, and your dark knuckles will clear off under one day, obviously the person is lying to you and you should not buy the idea. So the first product I will be recommending to you is tretinoin. Tretinoin is a powerful treatment for skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and skin renewal. That is replacing old skin cells with fresh new ones from beneath the surface of the skin. It will help target your dark knuckles and clear it off. Now, when getting a tretinoid cream, you have to understand that tretinoid comes in different strengths, such as the 0.025%, the 0.05%, and the 0.1%. Among these strengths of tretinoid cream, the one with 0.025% is the lowest strength of the tretinoid cream, which is the exact one you should be starting with. Then, over time, when your skin has built tolerance with tretinoid, you can then increase the strength to 0.05%, that is, if you wish to, lastly to 0.1%, which is, of course, the highest strength of tretinoid. Still, using the lowest strength, which is the 0.025%, will do an amazing job on your dark knuckles. Tretinoid helps exfoliate the skin and boost collagen production. That is to say, using tretinoid will help you get rid of dead skin cells on your skin and help you replace your old skin to fresh new skin. It also helps inhibit the production of melanin on the skin, that is, overpowering the darker skin reflecting on your knuckles so that your knuckles can have a matching color together with your skin tone. Now, how do you use tretinoid to clear off your dark knuckles? When using a tretinoid cream, use it only at night. Do not use it during the day. Also, do not overuse it. Use it 3 times in a week and you are good to go. Target just your dark knuckle only. Apply your tretinoid cream on it and massage it in for 5 minutes. Be patient while applying your tretinoin cream on your dark knuckles. Have your time to massage it in a circular motion until the product is fully absorbed into your skin, and then you are done for that night. The next product you need while treating your dark knuckles is a moisturizer, or preferably a hand cream. Remember I said that dryness is one of the major causes of having dark knuckles. When your hands are dry or always looking dry, you are prone to develop having dark knuckles. So, getting a moisturizer or a hand cream will help keep your hands moisturized and prevent you from having darker knuckles. You can get any of these moisturizers or hand cream for yourself. One is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I have reviewed about this cream here on this channel, and the link to that video will be on the description box of this video. You can equally get the Dear Body Hand and Nail Cream. It is equally very good. Or the Eucerin Hand Cream with 5% urea plus ceramide. Very good for dark knuckles, dry, and strong palms. These moisturizers are so good. So when you're done applying your tretinoid cream, you then go in with your moisturizer or your hand cream to help seal in the moisture on your skin needed for a proper hydration. And focus on your knuckles when applying your hand cream. It is advisable to apply and reapply your hand cream or moisturizer throughout the whole day when treating your dark knuckles, so that your hands will not be dry, and it will also prevent you from further developing darker knuckles. You can also include Vaseline, which is also very good at sealing in moisture on the skin as well. And the last product you will need while treating your dark knuckles is, of course, a very good sunscreen. You can't be treating dark knuckles and you aren't using a good sunscreen. So you need to get yourself a very good sunscreen. You can get this Barrier UV Watery Essence Sunscreen, Aqua Rich with SPF 50 plus. It is very moisturizing on the skin, or you can go for any sunscreen of your choice. Sunscreen will help keep those areas safe from the sun, so you need to protect your knuckles from the harmful UV ray of the sun by making use of sunscreen, so that you will not have an increase of melanin furthermore on those areas. Applying sunscreen on your dark knuckles will help you stay protected, so that your dark knuckles will gradually fade away completely. Always reapply your sunscreen once every 2 to 3 hours. Focus on your dark knuckles while doing so, because it is our main target, of course, to get rid of those dark knuckles on our hands. For your night treatment, you first of all go in with your tretinoid cream, your hand cream or your moisturizer, and lastly, your Vaseline. For your daytime treatment, that is your morning treatment, remember that here you're not making use of your tretinoid cream. So you first of all go in with your hand cream or moisturizer, your Vaseline, and lastly, your Biore UV sunscreen or any sunscreen of your choice. If you follow these steps and do exactly as I've explained it here on this video, you'll notice that with time, your dark knuckles will start getting brighter and gradually it will fade away completely. Remember, it is a gradual process, so you ought to be patient and stay consistent with the treatment to achieve a beautiful result. This brings us to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have watched up until now. It helps me know that you guys are loving the content I'm putting out here and that you equally appreciate my efforts. Like this video as well and share to a friend or someone you know that is battling with dark knuckles. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know on the comment section. I love you and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Until then, bye.